From the moment we wake up to the end of the day, we always strive to make a difference in the lives of our employees and our customers. At Yellowstone Structural Systems, we strive to innovate, provide better resources, and look to be a better company. Yellowstone Structural decided to join forces with Groundworks because Groundworks is aligned with our core values. To be a great company, you have to have great employees, and we want the hard work of our employees to be rewarded.
Sitting down at the table with Groundworks and having their backing is going to be phenomenal for us.
Groundworks is going to be able to provide a tribe for us to learn from.
The knowledge that is going to be right at their fingertips is going to be so amazing to them. They're going to grow us beyond anything we could have ever dreamed of.
I think Groundworks is really going to be able to help us get the resources that we need to be able to get customers taken care of a lot faster.
With this partnership, we will have what we need when we need it.
Customers of YSS are now going to get a level of commitment, a level of service unparalleled to anybody else in Montana.
As we build out our business across the nation and in North America, we're looking at every state. And Yellowstone Structural in the state of Montana is by far the best operator with the most experience, and the one that fit perfectly with our culture, our mission, and where we want to take our business together. Our promise to employees of Yellowstone Structural is consistent and simple. We will invest in every employee here. We'll grant you ownership in the fastest growing home services business ever created. And most importantly, we'll continue the great legacy of Yellowstone Structural and the business that Jesse and Sarah started almost 15 years ago.
One of the things I love and have heard about Groundworks is their commitment to give financial stability to all of their employees.
Employee ownership allows our employees to have a voice in the company. We're working together to benefit us both, and then in turn makes it better for your future.
I think us being the first Groundworks company in Montana is kind of revolutionary.
With that name and logo on our chest, we are able to leverage a national powerhouse right here in Montana.
We're setting the standard for what Montana construction should be, and that's making a difference.
To my team, I am so excited for what lies in front of you, and I would encourage each and every one of you to seize this opportunity because I genuinely believe the sky is the limit.